Okay, I've got my beer, heading up the stairs. I'm gonna go check on Miriam and see how she's doing at packing. I did a video on packing yesterday, packing light to go to Europe, but we're gonna see if girls can do the same thing. Let's check it out. All right, Miriam, what do you got going?
A lot. Don't take it.
You don't take a picture yet? Are you sure? You got everything laid out there?
Yes, I do. Okay, so I'm going to bring this long dress to kind of double as pants if I need to. And then this is what I'm going to travel in. So I'm going to put this little button down under it. And I love button downs because you can wear them under, you can wear them over, you can wear them as a jacket, you can tie them around your waist. It's great. And then I have this like tank sweater vest sort of thing that can go over things. And then I just have another t-shirt to again go under things, over things. And then I have a bathing suit. I don't know where the bottom's one. There. I have a bathing suit, and then I have my cover up that doubles as a blanket or a jacket. Then I have my jammies, they're rolled up into one, t-shirt and shorts. And then I have a pair of jean shorts that fit in this little bag. And I think that's it. I have 5 underwear. I think I'm gonna bring these pants, 1 bra, 5 pair of socks, and then all of my toiletries.
Is that all your makeup and stuff in that bag?
Yeah, so I don't have my whole face of makeup because it's just not worth it. So I have my eyebrow stuff, my eyeliner, my mascara, and then I have all my brushes in here. Bunch of brushes. They're all small though, so it's nice.
So it's like a lot of your makeup, but it's not all of it.
Yeah. You have to pare it down for sure. I think I have, for my face, I have concealer and I have blush, and then for my eyes, I have what I just showed. And then I'll have my comb. I have whatever medicine and stuff I need in here, and then razor, and then for toiletries, I brought shampoo, and then I have my face primer, and then I have a tiny travel spray, some lotion, conditioner, and face wash.
Are those all the liquids in there?
Yep.
So liquids are in there, and the other one is all your non-liquid stuff.
Yes,
okay.
that's right.
So, and you're all going to get that in what size bag?
And I'm going to get that all in here.
That looks just like the bag I had.
Yes, exactly. I already have, you can't see it, but I already have my sandals. They're stuffed in the bottom here. They fit just like this. You can kind of see them. And then my clothes one will go on top here. And then I'll have my toiletries, and then I'll have a little pocket on the side for the wet stuff.
What clothes are you going to be wearing on the plane?
This dress and the black shirt.
Right here. That's all down.
Yep.
All right, cool. Let's get to packing. Nice.
And then I have this whole pocket down here. We'll put this guy in there.
Is that for the plane?
Yeah.
So if you need to get at it?
Yes.
Now you have the luggage with the expandable zipper pocket.
Yes,
You have it all expanded
I definitely
now.
need the expandable for sure on this part.
Do you have computer too?
Nope.
A couple other things here, Miriam. You've got, it looks like a hat, your
So then on
phone.
the plane, I'll wear my hat.
Okay.
And I'll wear my sunglasses.
Cool.
And then I'll wear my 2 things of jewelry that go together. My earrings, and then my rings that are downstairs.
And what shoes are you wearing on the plane?
My tennis shoes that are downstairs.
Okay, so you got a pair of tennis
So
shoes.
I have a pair
okay.
of tennis shoes, yes.
All right, cool. Yay. Okay, let's see you walk around in it. Take a spin.
Super easy. Yeah, sorry, I guess I can.
Yes, that's nice. You can go anywhere with that.
Okay, yeah, it comes off my back. It's not super heavy. Like I could carry it. It's great.
Yay!